Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, my friends, I will show you how to download VMware Workstation Pro 17. But first, let's talk a little about VMware Workstation Pro 17. VMware Workstation Pro 17 is a powerful and flexible tool that meets the needs of professionals in various industries. Whether you're developing software, managing IT infrastructure, or testing new applications, this latest version of VMware Workstation Pro offers the features, performance, and reliability you need to get the job done. With its advanced features and user-friendly interface, VMware Workstation Pro 17 is the ideal solution for anyone involved in virtualization. You can find the download link in the video description. That's it. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and enjoy the site fullfreesoftware.net for free programs.